I spent a solid amount of time testing Calendly and Google Calendar side by side, really using them day to day to see where each one shines and where they fall short. This isn't a sponsored video, it's just my honest experience after working with both. So if you're thinking about switching tools or using them together, this should save you some time. Let's start with Google Calendar. It's great at what it's designed to do, a clean, free scheduling tool for managing your own time. You can create events, set reminders, and invite people easily. If your main goal is just keeping track of your schedule, Google Calendar does that really well. Where it starts to struggle is when you need other people to book time with you, things like meetings, interviews, or sales calls. And that's exactly where Calendly comes in. Calendly is built specifically for booking. You set your availability, share a link, and people choose a time that works for both of you. It syncs with Google Calendar automatically in the background, so your schedule stays up to date without any extra effort. You can also add buffer times, limit how far in advance people can book, and create multiple meeting types. Features Google Calendar doesn't offer natively. That said, Calendly isn't perfect. The free plan is pretty limited. You're restricted to one event type, and many of the more powerful features, like workflows, group scheduling, and custom branding, are locked behind a paid plan. If you only need occasional bookings, the free version might be enough. But if you're using it regularly, you'll likely need to upgrade. So here's the quick verdict. If you're mainly managing your own schedule, Google Calendar on its own is more than enough. But if you're running calls, doing interviews, or working with clients, Calendly makes the whole process much smoother. If you'd like to see comparisons with other tools like cal.com or Motion, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to dive into those next. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.